Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Differentiable functions can be tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's analyze the derivative condition to see which statement might actually be false today. First, we apply the mean value theorem because the function is differentiable. This theorem tells us the average rate of change must equal the derivative at some point in the interval. Since the derivative is always at least 1, the average rate of change must also be at least 1. This confirms that option A and option B are always mathematically true. The intermediate value theorem guarantees the average value in D exists. However, nothing forces the function to cross 0, making option C the false statement. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given info, and check steps.